Hello and welcome to the studio. Today I am going to show you an art satchel that I just bought, and the maker is called Etchr. It's an Australian brand, and the reason I like them is that they're an ethical company and all their products are vegan. So I've just received my satchel. This is the Mini Slate, and I'm going to walk you through it and show you what's in there, what it looks like and how you can use it. Now, before we get to that, I need to say for the video that I am not getting any benefit from that video. I paid for my satchel, I ordered it. But before I bought it, I would have liked to see what it looked like inside and how I could use it and the exact size. When I read measurements, it doesn't necessarily tell me, I might read something is 30 centimeters, but in my mind, it's a little bit hard to picture this until I actually have it in my hands. So these are my hands. This is the satchel and this is the size it is. So the fabric is waterproof, so you can take it in the field, and at the front there is a zip, and all the zips are waterproof as well. So there's a pocket here. It's not very deep because it is on the flap, and here is a much bigger, deeper pocket with a gusset. So that is the front of it, and then on the other side there is another pocket, and here is a slab in there that you can remove. It's a bit hard to take in and out, but here in the center is an attachment to put the whole satchel up on a tripod. And then when you put it on a tripod and you open it, you can turn the whole thing into a pochade box. So you can put that on a tripod and use it like a field easel. Now on the inside, there's a lot of attachments to put brushes on, so you can put pencils or brushes through these things to keep them in place. And these are all on Velcro, and this is a Velcro. This is like a velour type of fabric on which Velcro is gonna stick, so you can actually customize it to arrange it as you wish. And then there's these four ones that have corners in them, so you can again place them where you want the size of your paper, and then just put your paper in and it will hold. So this is an A4 sheet, so you can see if I put these in the corners, it will actually carry an A4 sheet. And on the other side there is another pocket, and this one goes all around, so you can open all of this. This is the strap. I haven't opened it yet because I haven't used the satchel yet. And again there is those two here and an elastic band with one of the things that gives different sizes, and you can use that as well. In the corners, the zip are not the easiest, I must say. Just put it on the screen. The zip here goes around the corner, but it's a rounded corner and it's not that easy to get around. So I hope in the long run the zips are not gonna give up. Now, when I go on holidays, I take an A5 sketchbook. So I've got a sketchbook here, and you can see this is the Etchr Everyday Sketchbook, and you can see it will fit very easily. I could actually fit two in there. So the size for a sketchbook is absolutely fine for an A5 sketchbook. And if I open it, I can put the corners in the right places. Put that on there, put the other one there. I quite like these things, they're really quite handy, and you can actually use them, put them on a corner and stick them afterwards to make sure they're in the right place. I think it's easier to do it that way, and my sketchbook is held in place for me to paint. I will review the sketchbook separately. I haven't used it yet, it's still blank, but when I use it I will review it separately and let you know what I think of it. But yeah, basically this is it. This is the Etchr with the outside pocket, and the inside, what's going on the inside of it. There's different hooks here to put the straps wherever you want them to. And there's also a handle at the top on this strap, you can hold the handle. One thing that I am not entirely sure about is the weight of it. It's actually quite a heavy satchel. So if you struggle with carrying heavy bags, going out in the field carrying this all day, especially once you have your water bottle in there and your sketchbook and your little palettes and everything, this has got a substantial weight. But I don't know how you would get around that. I don't know how you would get something lighter. You need to carry stuff. There's no way around that. So I'm gonna try it. I am gonna do some filming while I use it. So at some point in the next few months, you will get a review, a proper review of it, used in the field as it is intended. I hope this was useful. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. And I will see you soon in Atelier Sandrine Mogy. Happy painting, bye!